What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. In today's video we will talk about 10 different signs that you have high testosterone levels. So if you want to check if you have high testosterone levels, definitely make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we're going to start with today's video, just take a quick second guys and smash that like and subscribe button down below, become part of the family so I can help you out to become your best version possible. So definitely make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity. Let's start directly with number 1, having acne or impure skin. Elevated testosterone levels can lead to acne, simply because it increases the body's production of sebum, which can lead to the development of pimples. More specifically, the sebum will clog your pores and even your hair follicles and therefore can lead to impure skin. So if you struggled in the past or you struggle now with impure skin, it might be a sign that you have high testosterone levels. Let's continue with number 2, having excessive body hair. Excessive body hair is often caused by having high testosterone levels. But unfortunately you can only increase the body hair and not your hair on top. But not only that, having high testosterone levels can also lead to baldness simply because of its byproduct DHT. Alright, let's continue with number 3, mood swings. Testosterone plays a role in maintaining a normal mood. And therefore it is not surprising that if you have high testosterone levels, that your mood is often changing. Let's continue with number 4, you are more willing to take a risk in your life. Yes, it is actually proven that having high testosterone levels will also influence your attitude towards risk. More specifically, if you have high testosterone levels, you are more willing to take a risk in your life. So if you recognize this attitude in your life, it might be a sign that you have high testosterone levels. Let's continue with number 5, you oftentimes struggle with headaches. There are many different reasons and causes for having headaches, but one of them is simply that you have really high testosterone levels. So if you oftentimes struggle with headaches and there's no other reason behind that, it might be a sign that you have high testosterone levels. Let's continue with number 6, having a high sex drive. This is actually a very common and well-known sign of having high testosterone levels. Number 7, having an increased appetite. Yes, having high testosterone levels will also increase your appetite. So if you recognize it by yourself, then you might have high testosterone levels. Number 8, building muscles is very easy for you. Testosterone also plays a major role in building muscles. It is actually proven that if you have high testosterone levels, it is way easier for you to build and maintain a strong physique. And number 9, you oftentimes struggle with sleep problems. And last but not least, number 10, you feel energized most of the time. And yeah, that's basically it for today's video. Those were the 10 common signs of having high testosterone levels. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Also make sure to smash that like and subscribe button down below, become part of the family so I can help you out to become your best version possible. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.